I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking your PC so the live wallpaper runs smoothly. CPU, GPU, and at least 4 GB RAM. Once confirmed, pick the tool that fits you: Wallpaper Engine for Steam, Lively for free simplicity, or Rainmeter for advanced widgets. Make sure to download the official installer, close heavy apps, and run the installer as administrator. This avoids permission issues. After install, open the program and grant any requested permissions. You'll need them to control overlays and performance settings. Now you import or select a wallpaper asset and configure it. You can use video, GIF, or an HTML/web-based scene. Make sure the format is supported. Once loaded, set resolution and aspect ratio. 16:9 is common, and cap the frame rate to save resources. Choose which monitor it runs on and enable or mute audio as needed. Then tweak performance settings. Enable pause on full screen. Set CPU/GPU usage limits, and test how it behaves under normal workloads. Finish by saving a profile and enabling auto start so your wallpaper returns after reboot. Test it with common apps and a restart. If you're on a laptop, make sure power settings won't throttle performance. Switch to high performance or disable battery limits if you want smooth motion. If you encounter problems, try lowering the frame rate or resolution, temporarily switching to a static image, and updating GPU drivers. These steps fix most issues. If not, re-import a simpler asset or check the app's logs for errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.